day 2 in Washington, D.C. I think it's about 11:30. You know, we're about to go to this spot called Chicken and Whiskey. You know, and they serve Peruvian food. The reviews look good, the pictures of the food look good, the menu looks good, so we look like we're gonna enjoy that. And yeah, we on the elevator right now. Look at my baby looking hella good over there, all chocolatey. I'm about to eat her for lunch. Shit. And so the Chicken and Whiskey spot is close to the hotel, so we're just gonna go ahead and walk there. And then we're gonna go to the Botanic Garden, you know, and look at some flowers, take in some of that nature, smells, yeah, take some bomb-ass pictures, you know what I mean? And just enjoy ourselves, probably just ride around on some scooters after that.
That's good as weather.
Check out the city. Hell yeah, weather is beautiful. Got my arms out and shit. I feel good. You feel good?
I feel great.
She feels amazing. You know what I mean? So yeah, we'll check back in later. Alright, so, you know, I'm in downtown DC right now by the United States Botanical Garden, which is right here in the background. You got some American monument over there, you know what I mean? You know, I guess it's cool to see this stuff, but I personally ain't the type to be caught up in all this patriarchal American-minded stuff, to say the least. The monuments, they look nice, but I know the history behind a lot of this stuff, and it is not empowering of my people. So, yeah, but I'm out here at this botanical garden because I like plants and nature and flowers and all that. You know what I mean? Like, look at these leaves right here. These leaves look dope as hell. Them leaves right there. Yeah, I was riding this scooter all the way down over here from our hotel. And, you know, they have like restrictions of where you can park it, so I couldn't even park it by the Botanical Garden. I had to take it all the way somewhere else just to park it. Now I'm walking back to meet up with my lady. And I'm trying to see where she at. She probably up here chilling, parlaying, kicking it. I got her phone, so I can't even call her. Look at her over here, all fine. Look, she back there in the cut. Hold up. There she go. She gotta get that lip gloss popping over there, putting the lip gloss on. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see. Yes. I almost want to kiss him, but I'm recording you, so I'm gonna leave you alone. Walking up on this ice cream truck. I know you hear that music. We got the food trucks out right over there. Got our ice cream. I already started eating mine. It's dripping already. Look at this little vibe over here. In the cut. Leaving the botanical gardens right now. It was nice. All types of plants and herbs and all types of beautiful stuff we seen, as y'all just seen in the video. And now we just, you know, it's a lot of stuff out here. You're just gonna walk around, catch a vibe, you know. So it's nighttime, you know what I'm saying? We about to go, you know, go to the spot called the Apple Lounge, you know what I mean? Kick it, chill. My homie Carlton, he live in Maryland, and we linking up with him, and he gonna, you know, show us a little bit, show us around and whatnot, so yeah.